Welcome to my channel, everybody. The name of my channel is TamashaBera. Welcome to this channel, everybody. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel with your post notifications turned on. Make sure you click on that bell after subscribing. It is completely free. That's right. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like in this video, because we are going to be drawing every single day here on our channel. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that, because we are drawing the Skull Trooper from Fortnite today. It has lately been the Halloween, and we are going to be drawing some Halloween skins on our channel lately. And yeah, we have drawn the Gold Trooper and other skins, cool skins from Fortnite Chapter 2 and other Fortnite characters that we already have here on this channel. First, we start off with the pencil drawing. I'm just going to speed it up, because at the end, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys will be able to draw the Skull Trooper step-by-step tutorial in Fortnite Battle Royale, ladies and gentlemen. I assure you guys that you need to use your pencil eraser in order to make the Skull Trooper for yourself. But instead, I will be using my marker to show you guys step by step on how to draw it properly. Why should you draw it? Well, then, if the holidays are approaching, if you guys want to gift your friend something, probably like someone's birthday is coming up, probably want to spend some time at your home drawing something. If you guys are into drawing and all that stuff, well, this video is for you guys. So we start out with a curved line on top, another curved line right over there to make the top of his head. Very simple, very easy. Then we make another curve like this right over here to make the outer edge of the face. A curve right over here, and over there. Simple and easy. The same thing that we are going to do on the other side as well. Boom, there you have it. Looks pretty similar. So I've done the pencil drawing first, then I'm doing the marker illustration. Don't use the marker, guys. Use your pencil and eraser to do your drawing so that it will become very easy for you guys to color at the end. So we're going to draw a straight line over here from the point we started. Make like another curved line right over here, which looks like an inverted T. So we are going to draw another parallel line right over here and make it come all the way to this spot right over here. And we're going to do the same on the other side to make the outer layer of the Skull Trooper's face. Then we're going to go ahead and make the neck. So we make like two different lines on either of these sides. And then we are going to be making his jacket. So we make a V like this, as you guys can see, a V. All right. Pretty simple structures. All right. Pretty simple structures. After this, we make a curve right over here, and then we extend it to the other side. Not joining the other side though, because I want to give the feeling, the 3D feeling of the Skull Trooper's jacket. So we make another curve like this. And then we kind of like, make another line. And if you want, you guys can join those two things. But then you can make some more jagged lines like these to give it the effect of the Skull Trooper. And then we are going to make a big curve like this. Okay? A big curve right over here. I hope you guys are following me till here. If you guys want, you guys can go to the YouTube player, click on the settings. And if you guys want, you guys can reduce the speed of this video right now, and you can watch it back and forth. If this video is too fast for you guys, if you guys want to draw it while I speak with the tutorials and the tips that I've given over here. So we do the same thing on the other side, make some jagged lines one after the other, and then make another curve right over here. There you have it. That's his arm. Okay, then we extend that line, make another curve like this. As you guys can see, these are all curved lines, step by step. You need to look at that. A curved line from the inside, and then I put it outside, then I just put it in again. It's all curved lines, straight lines. Very easy, guys. Very easy. It doesn't matter if you guys want to do it in an electronic way on a piece of paper. This is going to be a proper tutorial, the proper class where you guys will be able to learn how to draw properly on a page. Or even I will be like having like, more videos where I'll be doing it on a piece of pen, on your tablets, or on your mobile phones, on Photoshop. So there will be a lot of tutorials that will be there on the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and make the design which is there on his jacket, the Skull Trooper jacket. So we're gonna go ahead and make these design the bone structures, which is always there on the jacket. So we start out with the main center. So you make like a structure like this. Okay, it should be curved. Okay, make the parallel line and make it pointy at the very end. And then we're gonna go ahead and make his other bones right over here. Alright, so there will be like other arms if you guys want to like change the colors, because the Skull Trooper has 3 different styles: the black and white, the green and black, and then there's like the other white and black one. So if you guys want, you guys can choose any colors. If you guys want, you guys can even make it blue and black. I think that is a color combination that would again look really awesome. So the colors are up to you guys, that you guys can use like any type of colors: watercolors, poster colors, pencil colors, sketch pen, any type of colors that you are happy with, that you guys can use to complete all these drawings. Again, we are going to make the hand one curve after the other. All right, one curve after the other. We have done like many other Fortnite character drawings here on our channel, and we will be drawing a lot of more characters, so make sure you guys have subscribed to the channel by now. Right now we are going to make like some more details of his shirt. Just make sure you guys are following these steps so that it becomes easy for you guys to follow these steps. Right now we're going to go ahead and make these structures on his jacket to give it a more realistic feel to the Skull Trooper itself. As you guys can see, if you know that your friends would love these type of skins and their birthday is approaching, if you guys want to spend some time during your holidays, if you're having a night out or something, you guys can actually like, you know, draw. All you need is just a piece of paper, pencil, and an eraser. And you guys have a competition who can draw better Fortnite characters. We have a lot. We even have the Christmas characters, the Nogobs, like the ice skin. Like, we have a lot of cool skins over here on our channel. So just search TamashaBera drawing, and you guys will be able to see a lot of drawings that we have done here on this channel. And you guys can choose on any project. It will just take hardly like 15 minutes for you guys to complete a drawing. Maybe another 10 minutes to do the coloring, and that is it. Very simple, very easy, guys. As you guys can see, it has already started looking like the Skull Trooper skin in Fortnite Battle Royale, guys. And do let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys have any suggestion. If you guys want me to do other drawings here on this channel, I will be more than happy to illustrate it to you guys, so that you guys can draw more Fortnite characters, your favorite characters in the game. We're gonna go ahead and make the jacket. If you guys have colors, then you guys can even make this even better. So I'm gonna make his jacket like, you know, I hold like everything is overlapped like that to give it the more realistic feeling. But yeah, if I were you, I won't be using the marker, because then you won't be able to go into those details and making in those eyes, nose, and the face. So I urge you guys to use a pencil. I am a professional. That is the reason I'm using a marker to illustrate you guys. So don't do this, okay? I'm just using the marker to illustrate how to draw it properly, so that we have clear, thin, and bold lines at the same time, so that you guys can know the depth, the proper step, the easiest way possible to draw these skins. So we're gonna make these like, you know, like circles at the very center, and we are going to like join these two ends like this, and we're gonna make a satchel which is there on his belt buckle. Straight lines, curved lines, and there you have it, a satchel on his belt buckle. All right, now we are going to like draw some more details on his cloth that you guys can see in the game to give it some more realistic feeling to it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going to go ahead and make the belt buckle. So make another parallel curve next to the first curve that we had over here. Make those things on the belt. Alright, so where the straps are for his trousers. We're going to go ahead and make a big curve. Like, it can be like, just make it like a curvy line for his pants, for his loose pants. Very easy. Then we are going to do the same, the curved pants. Very easy and simple. Then we are going to go ahead and we are going to make the center of the pants. So make a straight line, put some curves in the middle, and then we're going to make some more curved lines like this right over here, and also on the parallel side. Like, as you guys can see, like, these are just curved lines. You guys can use any type of pants. If you guys want to put your Skull Trooper in shorts, you guys can even do that, which would I think that would actually look funny. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to be like making some more details onto his pants to give it some more realistic feeling to this. And I know you guys face difficulties in making eyes, nose, lips, and also making hands or legs. So I have many tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how to draw the hands, and as well as the eyes, nostrils, and the face. But then if you guys have your colors, you guys can even do it better than the marker illustration, because it will be difficult for me to show you guys, because I'm using a bold marker right over here. Again, I'm going to be making those patterns that is there on his pants to give it a more realistic feeling to this whole skin. As you guys can see, very easy and simple. You're going to make some crease, some folds, just like the way you see it in the game, like two parallel lines next to each other. The same thing we're going to do on this pant as well. Very easy and simple. If you guys want, you guys can do it on the other side. So I'm going to make another satchel, which is always there at the side of his pants. Boom, there you have it. There is his satchel. Now we're gonna go ahead and make his gloves and his hands. So we are making a curved line like that. The gloves. And now look carefully, a curve right over here. Okay, a curve like that for his thumb. And for his hand, we are making another curve like that. We rotate it, okay? And now for his fingers. A 90-degree turn, a 90-degree angle. It's just like all straight lines. And we're gonna make his last finger to get the feeling that he's like, folded his hand. And then we make his gloves. Very easy and simple. The same thing we're gonna do on the other side. Curved lines, straight lines, curved lines. If you guys wanted to tell you guys one more thing. If you guys have drawn something, if you guys want to show me, do let me know on my social media. Just tag me over there. Just take a picture. Let me know on my social media. I'll be more than happy to repost it and show everybody your talents. It doesn't matter, guys, like whatever colors you guys have used, sketches, shading. I'll be more than happy to see what you guys have done, and I will be more than happy to give you guys a shout out for the drawings that you guys have done on yourself. So let me know if you guys are having questions in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to help you guys out with the same. So right now for the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my pen instead to help you guys out with this. So I'm going to take a black pen, but then it is better that you use your colors to make these details. So we're going to go ahead and make his eyebrows. There you have it. Let me just make it a little bit darker so that you guys can understand. So these are his eyebrows. Like, let's just make it a little bit thick. If you guys want to make him angry, just tilt the eyebrows to make him happy or sad. For the eyes, we make like a oval shape. Very simple, oval shape on both the sides. I'm doing it at one go, so don't be like me, just use a pencil and paper. Maybe someday I will go into detail on making how to make like nose, lips, and other like features of any skin. For the nose, we are going to use like the triangle, a curved triangle. For his face, look at this, straight lines, 4 straight lines, and we already have his face on. We make a line at the center, and we're gonna make his small teeth, small white teeth. All right, now if you guys want, you guys can make those shades, which is already there. I have sometimes, I'm gonna show you guys like, just a little bit, like these are the shades at the end of his face. If that's the thing that you guys are interested in, you guys can get into more details. I also have a reference at the end, a paint reference that you guys can use to see how the Skull Trooper is gonna look like, and use the same color coding to draw and paint your pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and darken this up to give it the effect of the Skull Trooper, except keeping the eyes open. As you guys can see, it has already started looking like the Skull Trooper. I'm probably gonna like make the nose dark as well, make the dark eye cavities, and there you have it. Like, let me just make it a little bit more dark. So at the end, I have a reference picture so that you guys can see how it is gonna look like after you guys are done coloring it. I won't recommend like using like a pen like to shade his face. I would suggest you guys to use a color. So this is how it's gonna look like, the Skull Trooper in Fortnite Battle Royale, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like in this video.